If your best offer isn't online collecting leads right now, you're missing out. Imagine having a dedicated sales tool that works for you 24/7, capturing leads, presenting your offer, and following up automatically. That's the power of a well-built landing page. Unlike a traditional website that tries to do everything at once, a landing page has one goal: convert visitors into clients. And when you connect that page to follow-up automation using your software account, it becomes your most reliable way to grow your business without more work. Once someone lands on your page, like a property listing landing page built with your software account, they're guided through a clean, professional experience. The top includes your logo, agent branding, and contact info. Just below, eye-catching property photos and price details are paired with a compelling description that draws the visitor in. From there, the page does more than inform. It engages. It might link to an open house page, a financing breakdown with estimated monthly payments and cash to close, or even a trusted lender's mortgage application. Visitors can request help writing an offer or schedule a call right from the page. Best of all, it's designed to collect contact information using a form, PDF download, or interactive offer. As soon as they engage, automated emails and texts are triggered, making sure no lead slips through the cracks and your brand stays top of mind. If your business isn't using landing pages connected to follow-up automations, you're leaving qualified leads on the table. The right landing page puts your best offer in front of the right people at exactly the right time and keeps the conversation going automatically. Think about your easiest to sell product or service. Now ask yourself, do you have a landing page that can capture leads and follow up instantly? If not, let's change that. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account to get your landing page and follow-up system set up.